of FB Live. Today we are very privileged to have our FB Live from the Curve Shopping Mall at Mutiara Damansara. So as you can see at my background is concourse area at the Curve. This is where we are going to do our FB Live today. We are going to do our workshop. Our workshops actually starts at 12 until 1:30 every weekends, as well as the eve of Christmas and New Year. So if can, please join us, and the workshop starts today, right? Today's FB Live is actually sponsored by the Curve Shopping Mall, and we take this opportunity to thank them for giving us the opportunity to have the session here at concourse area, the Curve Shopping Mall. Alright, so today what are we going to do, and what is the contest all about?